こんにちは YouTube, how are you? パチパチパチパチ I am Leo-chan です Okay, so today I'm traveling from Queens to Brooklyn in New York and I've been living in New York for a long time but this is my very first time taking the G train I'm so excited to travel with and I filmed this just to show you how the current situation and for those who wants to see how the New York subway looks like so check it out Alright, that's it for today. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for my channel. See you next time. Sayonara YouTube. Bye bye. Janet!